Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of being late to class. I had to reach by 1 and I haven't left. It is 2 minutes to 1. I don't have time to clean my bike, but still I will clean my bike because I don't like it dirty. So कैसे हुआ मैं आज भी फिर से लेट कैसे हुआ. Oh my god, I need to wash the bike. Well, not today of course. So this is the most I can do. अरे भाई चल गया. अरे बाप रे. If you guys are wondering why I'm just standing and not doing anything, it's because I'm warming up the engine. Because this is a carbureted bike, I need to do it manually. It does not have an ECU. I need to get the oil flowing to lubricate all the parts and get the correct oil pressure and a lot of things. But I can only cover this much in the voiceover, and I'll do the others in some other video.
A few moments later.
दो बोतल शराब दिया पीतियां कुछ नहीं होया लस्सी पी के खंबे च बज गया मैं की होया कहंदा सुस्ती जी पै गई.
भाई मैं तो जल गया आज. भैया मैं तो जल गया. By the end of this day, I'm pretty sure this part is gonna be tanned. And I'm definitely going to have an interesting pattern here. A striped pattern because of my watch. Tiger Man. कैसे हुआ. Oh भाई, you almost ran over my foot. What was even that sign? By never mind. It is known as a hesitant manual left indicator. When you're not sure if you should indicate, like you should indicate, but will it be of any use? Like, is there anybody behind me, or is there anybody right beside me? So even if I do it, it won't matter because that guy is. I feel like I need to explain it a little bit more clearly. Imagine I am in this car. Got a very nice car, by the way. And there is another car right beside me, which is also a very nice car. So now if I give an indicator to the left side, it's of no use. Like, even if I give it, either this guy okay, hold on, either this guy has to stop, or it's actually of no use. I cannot turn just by giving an indicator. It's for the people behind me. But looking in my rearview mirror, I knew that there is nobody behind this car, or behind this vehicle, which is why I gave that hesitant left indicator. I guess I was able to explain it more clearly. Thank you. Thank you for watching the explanation. Okay, you guys understand, right? So never mind. कैसे हुआ मैं आज भी फिर से लेट कैसे हुआ. कैसे हुआ मैं आज भी फिर से लेट कैसे हुआ. मैं तो रेडी भी था, खाया भी था, फिर भी मैं लेट हो ही गया. अरे भाई 70 seconds, डैम. मैं तो जल जाऊंगा भाई. ए भाई उधर खड़ा होना चाहिए था. अबे 70 seconds कैसे over? What? How did 70 seconds? Oh my god. Those were the shortest 70 seconds of my life. Yeah, this is very much helping the fact that I'm late.
Hello.
Well, I just have a question. How do these roads actually break down? Like, how do these? Oh man. Why did everybody stop, bro? All of a sudden. अरे भाई. Bro is horizontally stuck between traffic. Oh, that was an eagle. I thought that was an electric RC plane. We are so much inspired. Like everything we make, we get inspired from the nature, right? Like bullet trains. Bullet trains are inspired by the woodpecker. Like how the woodpecker dives into the water for like. I was about to say fishing, but for catching fishes, yeah, that is fishing. So yeah, how the woodpecker maintains a streamlined shape. That's the inspiration for bullet trains, and then a lot of designs actually. For example, a submarine, taking inspiration from whales. What else? What else? I don't know about you guys, but I have always imagined like bike's head, like a wasp's head. Like it looks a lot like a wasp's head. What I mean by that is, look at these two images I've got here, everybody. Like these two antennae, don't they look like this thing? And overall, this part is like it looks analogous to this part because the handle actually the bike head also moves. You know, it is a bit not too connected with the bike. I think I need one more picture to illustrate that. And their head is also a little bit different from their body, a little bit disconnected. For that, I'm gonna get a little bit more pictures. Just wait for me, everybody. I'll be back. Yeah, everybody. So I'm back. Now, what I want you to see is look at this part. This part is a little bit disconnected from the body. That's how it moves, right? And look at here. This part, their head is also a little bit disconnected from the body, so it moves like it tilts this way or it tilts this way. Like, not in the image, it means I mean to be backside and towards us, like there and towards us. So that's how, this that's what I mean. So yeah, that's how I think that the bike. I somehow in my mind relate these two things. So I feel like my bike is like a wasp. So and also with this tank here, it doesn't look like this part. Okay, I must use a different color. Blue works. Yeah. Uh, Look at this tank here. Also, I must. Okay, never mind. I was thinking of changing the thickness. Look at this tank here. Look at this party here. This part here, the thorax, and this thing. Yeah, so that's how I relate my bike to a wasp. So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you for attending this class, everybody. Like, observe carefully sometimes. I mean, that's not a command. I mean, like, guys, please, like, try to observe. I just want to say, try to observe sometimes that. Or you can tell me if it's just me that feels like it. But this feels like a wasp's head, or any two-wheeler head seems like an insect's head. Like a scooty seems like some insect's head, but not a wasp. Oh God, why am I even doing this? This is so bad, man. What the? Okay, never mind. Here I've got the example of a scooty head to in comparison to a cockroach head. As I'm filming this video, I am getting the feeling that there is some cockroach crawling on my leg, but never mind. and you have absolutely no idea how many images I had to scroll through to find this image. And oh my god, I've seen so many cockroach heads. Never mind. Okay, yeah. So doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna change the color a bit. I'm gonna use yellow color, yellow. Oh, hold on a second, just a second. Here I got the yellow color. Look at this and this. Doesn't it look similar? Like the triangular shape of the head, sort of a triangular shape of the head, and it has even these little eyes that it has got, and the triangular shape. Okay, I guess this is enough to explain. But this looks like a cockroach. Thank you for attending this class. I thank you. Continue with the video, please. Thank you very much, and do not leave the video, please. Thank you. What's some other insect? Maybe an ant, or maybe I don't know, some insect. Yes, main thing is we always get inspired from things. Like when we made a plane, we got inspired from the eagle, how it flies, like how it maintains the shape, like everything. Have you ever seen the like eagle? I have seen some clips. Oh man, that was close. Okay, I saw a clip once of an eagle actually operating its ailerons, like its feathers. I don't know if I could find that clip again, but woo! Once I saw a reel actually. So I once you swipe up a reel, if you don't like it or save it, it's like lost forever. So that reel is, I guess, lost forever. So like the way it operated oh gosh, like the way it operated its tail feathers, it was just like a plane actually operating its tail wings. So yeah, we are a lot inspired from nature. So I guess considering or like mistaking an eagle for a plane is very much, oh gosh, very much fine. But we should understand that our designs, the plane is actually inspired by the eagle and not the eagle from the plane. Why am I even saying this? This is understood. Just another day on the streets of Delhi.
कुछ बात थी उसमें, साला दुनिया के तौर तरीके कदम कदम पे चैलेंज करता था.
Look at this. Some trailer went around leaking cement. Guys, look at the bike from this angle. Doesn't it really look like a wasp's body? I guess it is with this model because this model has a very sleek and slender tank shape. But the newer models of this bike have a much broader tank, and it does not really. I guess it also matches the body of a wasp, but some other species of wasp. Not the species of wasp I was, using for illustration. I don't know why I'm so involved deep into this matter, but this is what I feel, and I wanted to share my opinion with everyone. And yeah, do tell me if I'm right or not. All over, like, I cannot even speak today. I'm so tired. I'm very tired. कैसे मैं तो रेडी भी था, खाया भी था, फिर भी मैं लेट हो ही गया. कैसे हुआ शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है। Hit it! ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में। Did you guys ever notice that in this song, Oh Jaane Jana, Salman Khan is actually playing his electric guitar without electricity? Yeah, guys, yeah. I noticed it. And the electric guitars are actually not so lightweight as it is shown in the music video. Like the way he threw his electric guitar. Never mind. Actually very heavy. I own one. What? You guys didn't know I play guitar? Yeah. I should actually post more videos playing guitar and singing songs. And I actually was thinking of making a separate channel about it. I'll make a separate channel for it, just music oriented, where I'll post electric guitar solos, me singing, or just instrumentals, or my own compositions, or anything. It would be all music oriented. I'll soon share the name once I make it. And yeah, all I can say is please go and support me on that channel as well whenever I make it. And yeah, you know, it's actually the weather that makes me even more tired. Like, even if you're not tired, or even if you're a little bit tired, the weather will make you more tired. It's so humid and hot. Oh gosh. Oh bhai, why is this in the middle of... Where should I park? Is there any place in the shade? Or should I go all the way down there to check if there is a... Oh gosh. Don't say I wasn't recording all this while... Why, bro? Absolutely horrible. Okay, so I'll tell you what happened. I came from there. There was no place... Like it is very hot, right? There's a helmet lying down, actually sitting down on the ground. I should pick up, I guess. Let me pick it up. Keep it here. Okay, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I came from all the way down there, and there was no place, no place. I was about to say no shady place, but no, I meant to say no place in the shade. And it is so hot outside that I wanted to park my bike in the shade. Otherwise, it's me who's gonna get burned. And then, see, it is so humid today that it makes me pant. Okay, never mind. What was I saying? याद आया, भूल गया. Then I came all the way around here hoping that I would find a place, and there was just one place right here. This one, just one place right here. And I said, it is destined for me. But the camera did not record it. And now I had to waste my 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Well, these minutes were actually not wasted because I was talking to you guys. So I should be getting ready, because I should be actually getting unready because I'm getting late for my class. Oh my god. It's so hot that my hands are also sweating so much that my gloves actually stuck to my hands. Okay, considering the fact that my camera battery is at 60% when I shoot it in the morning as well, I'm a little doubtful if my camera was on or not, or it just, it could have just died of overheating. Oh man, don't say that's the case. Also, because of the heat, look at this. Everything is melting because of the heat. It's so like, oh my god. Oh no. I have to sacrifice my glove, otherwise I'll lose this. Get it replaced. What else? All right. It is getting hotter and hotter day by day. Hope I did not drop my key down here. By the way, it's 5 p.m. now, and now after the classes I am even more tired. Oh, I'm gonna crash onto my bed once I get home. Let me check once again if I dropped any key or not. No, I did not drop any key. Let's go. Oh gosh, it's so hot, so hot. Oh, dug dug aave re, gaadi aave re. Oh, I just realized in the morning, remember I hit the mirror on the tree? Oh no. So I really did hit my mirror. Oh no. Just a second. Did I really damage it? No, it's fine. Oh my god, my shoes. But you know what, in the Japanese culture, if your shoes are dirty or your bike is dirty, it actually shows that you put it to good use. Like, these things are meant to be used. Why did everybody stop all of a sudden, huh? Like shoes are not meant to be kept in a shoe rack all their life. Shoes are meant to be worn, shoes are meant to be used. And boy oh boy, I have used these shoes a lot, everywhere. Because I find these shoes very comfortable. Because I've worn these shoes so much, they have adjusted to my foot size. Also because maybe when I learned how to ride a bike, I always wore these shoes. So, you know, I am more comfortable with controlling my bike when I wear these shoes. I have a few other pairs of shoes as well, but this is my favorite one. You will see a lot of scratches and stains. I even got them professionally polished for once, but it did not make any difference. These stains, these scratches are now ingrained deep into them. These scratches, these stains are now ingrained deep into them, so doesn't make any sense. Bad practices, kids. If you're watching this, don't do this. Only cross the road when it is safe. Like, everybody does not have good skills like me. Yalla! 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 Okay, on a serious note, please do it carefully. Guys, by the way, do you guys know about the Royal Enfield Cadbury? And also, I guess Cadbury was a 1000cc twin cylinder. Oh, they made this new line. Nice. This line was not here before. Nice. As though riding a bike in such hot weather was not enough, I have to now get stuck in this traffic as well. Man, this is so frustrating. Oh man, and the humidity as well. You cannot even breathe properly in the humidity, and I even have the masks and my not plural, just a singular mask, and then I have a bandana on my head, and then a big helmet on my head with the visor closed. Otherwise, I would get noise into the camera. yeah, even though I'm not saying anything right now, but still, you never know when I need to speak anything. Content can be jumping out from anywhere and coming in front of me, in front of my bike, as you saw. And yeah, thank you very much for listening to my rant. Thank you. Also, one more thing, I have to keep my visor down no matter how hot or humid it is, because you never know when a wasp actually enters your helmet, bro. I have seen so many. This is the spring season, not the spring season, it is a summer season, but still, the paper wasp. You know those paper wasps, those orange things. They are really common here in Delhi. And bro, I don't know what bad blood I have with those creatures. They're always after me. I've been stung by them multiple times before. I have a story about it, but I'll tell that to you guys. I cannot. Thank you very much for listening to my rant once again. Thank you very much. Do not leave the video. Well, the video is about to end, so you can leave the video. But wait. Subscribe and like and share. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, bye. See you again, guys. In the next video. In the next video. उसको नहीं घुमाना. हाँ, उसको घुमाइयो नहीं अब. और टाइट रखियो, लूज छोड़ेगी तो वापस आके लगेगी. हाँ, बस हो गई थी ऑलमोस्ट. हाँ, बस हो गई. वापस तो कर इसको. अब इसको हल्की सी रहे, हल्की सी. बस इतनी देख. बस इतनी. बस हल्की है. रोक इसको ऐसे. अब कर. देखो मैंने किक मारनी सिखाई. उसको नहीं घुमाइयो. किसको? वही उसी को. हाँ, उसको नहीं. हाँ ऐसे. बस हो गई. वार्म अप होती है.